This is the solution video for Unit 4 Review Problem 11. If y equals 2x cubed plus 4ax squared plus bx plus 3 has an inflection point at 2, negative 3, find the values of a and b. All right, so first of all, what does an inflection point mean? An inflection point means that f double prime changes signs, or y double prime. All right, and so that means I need to find, well, let's start off with y double prime. All right, so y prime, of course, all right, is going to be, so derivative of 2x cubed, that would be 6x squared plus, now remember, a is a constant, right? So we're just going to take 4a times 2x, right? And then plus derivative of bx would just be b, all right? And so that's y prime. So now y double prime. All right, so derivative of 6x squared would be 12x plus, now remember, this would be 8a times x. So what's the derivative of 8a times x? Well, that would just be 8a. Remember, a is a constant, right? So we're just multiplying times the derivative of x, which would just be 1. All right. And so I get 12x plus 8a, right? Now, you know that a point of inflection can only occur when f double prime or y double prime is equal to 0 or undefined. But now, if a is a constant, 12x plus 8a is never undefined, right? It would only be equal to 0, right? Now, you know that it occurs at 2, negative 3. So you know that it occurs when x is 2, right? So you get 12 times 2 plus 8a, right? So now I can solve this for a, right? So 12 times 2 is 24. So I subtract 24 and I get 24 equals 8a. So I divide by 8 and I get a equals negative 3. All right. Now that's great, but I still don't know b. Well, how do I find b? Well, you're also told that there's an inflection point at 2, negative 3, right? So you know that there is an x, y pair. So you can take the original equation and plug negative 3 in for y and then 2 in for x. So 2 times 2 cubed plus 4a, which you just found is negative 3, times 2 squared plus b, which you don't know yet, times x equals 2 plus 3. All right, and so now I have an equation with just b. So negative 3 equals 2 times 2 cubed. So 2 cubed is 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4 times negative 3. That would be negative 12 times 4 is negative 48 plus b times 2. So 2b plus 3. All right, so now I'm going to subtract 3. So I get negative 6. Okay, equals, all right, now I've got 16 minus 48, so that would be negative 32 plus 2b. So now I'm going to add 32, so this gives me 26, right, equals 2b. So divide by 2, b equals 13. All right, so a is negative 3, b is 13.